Why do you want to learn Welsh right now in your life?
There's lots of reasons, because we were always encouraged to speak a bit of Welsh. You know, I can say Shwmae Shidachi, I can count to 10.
Good.
I can sing Sosban Fach, I can sing Calam Lan and Mein Heimlad Fanadau. I can do all the correct things, but nothing further than that, really.
Not conversational?
No.
Okay.
And also, my daughter is going to uni, and I think, you know, I've spent 20 years, you know, working and bringing her up, and I just wonder if my brain will function in another way, and I'm quite interested.
Okay, so going back to school is going to be quite an interesting thing.
Yeah, it's kind of like, oh, I'd like to do that, plus she's going to Thailand, so it'll take my mind off her,
okay,
like,
so she's
getting
going away at the
drunk
same time?
Yeah.
Fine.
So it's going to be very interesting, because I'll be away from her, she'll be away from me. I'll be trying to learn something that I know is hard.
Yeah.
And
it's not easy.
No, I don't have a lot of
But we do tend to do it in a very fun way.